Hello, and thank you so much for watching. You might be watching me through my YouTube channel or through my website, arhampton.com. Either way, I thank you, and that means you are curious about publishing with Lulu. Let's talk about it. Why your Lulu book cover won't upload. And I've done this video and built an entire class around it that I'll tell you about in a second, because so many people are struggling with the new Lulu system. I called it the new Lulu 2020. And particularly people are struggling to upload their book covers. So here are some reasons why you might be having some trouble. Before we get into that, I want you to take a look at my book covers. Yes. I have done 11 projects with Lulu since 2015. That's when I first uploaded my first book with Lulu. 11 projects, and these are the last 3 that I've done with the new system. You can check it out and check out the rest of my work at www.arhampton.com/books. So you can see I'm an English instructor. I've been an English instructor for a number of years. I'm not teaching in a traditional classroom now, not since 2018, but I have written and published books built around what I have taught and around what I know. So you've got proofreading, you've got APA, you've got grant writing. When you publish a book, I'm just going to make this announcement here. When you publish a book, you need to have a reason for it. Do you want to excel in your professional career? Do you want to be seen as an expert? Or do you just want your mom and them to buy your books just so that your cousins can say, TT wrote a book? So understand your why even before you begin to publish. Okay, so let's go on to the reasons why you might be having trouble with your book cover. Your files are not in PDF format. The new Lulu only accepts PDF manuscript and cover files. You cannot upload a Microsoft Word document with the pages of your book. It has to be converted to PDF. You cannot upload a JPEG or a PNG as your book cover file. It has to be converted to a PDF. So know that and know that well. PDF files only. Reason number 2, you made changes to your manuscript file but did not update your Lulu book cover template. Reason number 3, your images are not high quality 300 DPI JPEG or PNG files. Do not use old or corrupt image files, meaning don't take your computer from 2014 and there's an image on there that you like, so you try to put it on a jump drive and put it on your new computer, and you're using cheap software. You see, don't do that. Don't do all of that. Just go to some reputable places to get great stock photos so that you have high quality photos set in 300 DPI. Now, you can take a lower quality photo and increase it, but you'll have to take my class in order to see that. Reason number 4, you did not flatten your book cover in Adobe Photoshop. Take the online class to find out how. That is a sales plug. Reason number 5, Lulu does not recognize your ISBN. Allow Lulu to assign an ISBN to your book. Do not get your own. Do not waste your time trying to get a self-identifier. Just allow Lulu to assign an ISBN to your book, and your publishing life on Lulu will be a lot easier. Reason number 6, you edited or renamed your final PDF file before uploading. Do not make any changes. Once you have flattened your document and converted it to PDF, Upload it just like that. Do not make any changes before you upload. Reason number 7, your fonts are not embedded or recognized by Lulu's new system. You must use universal acceptable fonts, or you must embed your fonts. Make sure that the fancy fonts that you're using are embedded in your PDF document. And again, I'll show you how to check that in the class. Reason number 8, you are trying to upload a JPEG or PNG cover file. Remember, Lulu only recognizes PDF files. Reason number 9, your Adobe Acrobat PDF preferences and settings are not set for high quality print. So check your settings. Reason number 10, your free or cheap software did not produce a high quality 300 dpi image and PDF book cover file. Listen, I understand trying to save $1, but at some point you are going to have to invest in yourself. So you are going to have to buy some subscriptions for as long as you need to get your project done, because Lulu's new system is highly sensitive. So if you're trying to use GIMP, G-I-M-P, instead of Photoshop to put your cover together, you have to make sure that GIMP produces a high print quality 300 dpi JPEG or PNG that you're going to have to convert to PDF anyway. So let that sink in. Reason number 11, you are getting transparency file errors. So there's a funky error message that comes up when you try to upload your cover file sometimes, and it has something to do with transparency. And there's a reason why you're getting that, and there is a way for you to fix it, but you will have to take the class in order for me to show you how to fix it. Reason number 12, you do not know what you are doing. You wouldn't believe how many questions I get and clients I get from people who just absolutely don't know what they're doing. This whole phrase, just figure it out, no, that suggests that you're not thinking before you leap. You're not thinking before you do something. When it comes to publishing, you have to have a plan. You can't just jump in there, do it, and try to figure it out. And that's what a lot of you are trying to do, and you're wasting money. When you're wasting money getting bad information from the wrong people, or you're trying to watch these free YouTube videos from people who do not know what they're doing. You're getting bad information. That's a bonus reason. That's 12A. 12B, free YouTube videos can only get you so far. So I clicked on a video from someone who also did a video on the new Lulu system. Looked in the comments. A lady said to the person who produced the video, "You said we could use Microsoft JPEG files, whatever." I did that. I drove to Staples. I spent money to use their computer to upload, and it wouldn't upload because Lulu only takes PDF files. And the guy wrote back, "Yes, Lulu only accepts PDF files." So you got to quit listening to people who don't know what they are doing, because that's going to confuse you, it's going to frustrate you, and it could, in that lady's case, cost you some money. So take my class. Yes, there are 2 classes actually. So I have the full class called Publish Your Lulu Book Like a Pro. That includes information on general print-on-demand publishing, what that is, how to get an ISBN, how to get an LCC, and just generally the whole self-publishing process. Then you get specific lessons on Lulu directly, the whole Lulu process, including how to do book covers. In the book cover only class, it only focuses on book covers. You might say, I have my manuscript all ready to go. I know about self-publishing, but these book covers are giving me the business. Why can't I get my book cover uploaded in Lulu's new system? That's the class for you. So just head on over to my website, arhampton.com/Lulu or arhampton.com/classes. You will not regret it. You have lifetime access to the information. And you also have access to me. So after going through the classes, if you still need additional information, I'm there to answer your questions. You also get a snazzy certificate of completion once you have completed all of the lessons. So head on over to arhampton.com/Lulu or arhampton.com/classes. All right, hopefully this has been helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching and happy publishing.